Willem's dad. This is episode 2 of Willem's Adventures. We are going to show you this cool remote control truck. It's called Redcat. I don't know if you can see that there. And it's a really cool thing. It goes super fast. It can go over some jumps. It can go in water. It's waterproof. We're going to show you how it works, and you'll see that you're probably all going to want one. And this is Willem right here. I'll show. This is the main guy here. All right, here we go. Check out the car. What the? What? Hey. All right. We just got pranked. All right, watch. We're gonna go over the curb here. Watch this. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, hey, hey. Whoa. Wow. All right. All right, guys. So that was the Redcat remote control monster truck that goes super fast. And we got pranked in the process by Mr. Willem himself.
I was bored at the beginning, but I was playing that prank. Just a warning, this water gun does not come with the truck.
That's true, that's a good point. That's a Roblox water gun.
Yeah, you can buy it at, like, I think you can buy this at Toys R Us.
For how much, do you know?
No, I don't.
It's probably like 10 bucks, maybe 15, somewhere there. And it works really well, look. Can you see that?
There's a laser up.
It's almost like a laser water gun. Oh wait, is it raining?
It is.
Oh, it's raining. Oh, yeah, it's all of a sudden it's raining even though there's no clouds. Whoa. All right, I think we're done here. Stay tuned for episode 3. Make sure you like and subscribe to Willem's Adventures, right? And if you liked the Redcat remote control truck, make sure you comment below, okay? Say yes or no if you liked it or not. Oh, okay, it's still raining. I gotta get inside. All right, bye.